Assalamualaikum. My name is MIRZATULL QADDRIESYA NAJWA BINTI ZAMRI 13 F2020. Today we're going to talk about our problem the task 1, which is Tsunami Warning App. Okay, for the pre-requirement, laptop and PC must have specification which is Microsoft Windows 7, 8 or 10, which is have 64-bit, and for 4GB RAM minimum, 8GB RAM recommended. Okay, 2GB of available disk space minimum and 4GB recommended, which is 500 MB for IDE and 1.5GB for Android SDK and emulator system image, and 1280 multiple 800 minimum screen resolution. And the next one is requirement. Our app have our own sensor, which is barometer and GPS. Okay, a barometer is a tool used to measure atmospheric pressure, also called barometric pressure. It is very important because it will tell us when tsunami happen or where it will be, so the resident can be careful and be in a safe place. Okay, for the GPS, this sensor used to give the user information about their current location when tsunami happen, whether the place is safe for the tsunami or not. And for the third one is our app has our own special feature, which is safe route. When the tsunami happen, the system will automatically process about the safe route to get out from the danger place with the satellite help. And the second one is the notification. When you use this app, the notification will ignore other notification and it will show up on entire screen when tsunami happen, because this is more important to the users. And the fourth one is target user. Okay, our target user is citizen. It is because all residents need and deserve to know about their current issues that are happening, especially involving their life, because it is very dangerous. And we use software which is Android Studio and JDK. The next topic is how to install JDK. Okay, for the step 1, download JDK. Open the browser and search for download JDK 16 or click the link to download from the Oracle website. It will show the JDK download page as shown. Next is accept the leasing agreement and click the link to download the installer as highlight. It will start downloading JDK 16 installer for Windows. Okay, for the step 2 is install JDK. Now execute the JDK installer by double clicking it. It might ask system permission before starting the installation. Click on yes to allow the installer to execute itself. It shows the installer welcome screen as displayed. Okay, the next step is click the next button to initiate the installation process. The next screen shows option to change the installation path. We can change the installation location on the screen if required as displayed. Okay, second is now click the next button to start the installation. It will show the program as displayed. Okay, for the last step is it shows the success screen after completing the installation as mentioned. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MUNIRAH binti MUSA. My matric number 13/19 F2018. I want to explain about how to install Android Studio. Step 1. Go to website Android Studio and download the latest version of Android Studio. Step 2. After finish download, open the Android Studio. You will see Android Studio setup. Then click next. Keep the default setting and click install until the installer presents the completing Android Studio setup. Step 3. After doing all above perfectly, left the Start Android Studio box check and click Finish. Step 4. The first Android Studio runs. It presents a complete installation dialog box that offers the option of importing settings from a previous installation. Choose not to import setting and click OK. Step 5. The finding available SDK component message board will appear until presented with the following Android Studio setup wizard dialog box. Step 6. Click Next and the wizard is invited to select an installation type. Keep the default standard setting. Step 7. Choose the theme dark or light. Step 8. Android Studio will next provide the opportunity to verify setting and click Finish. Step 9. Wait until finish download components, then click Finish. Step 10. After finishing the download components, it will appear system image and choose Oreo, then click Finish. Step 11. AVD will appear. Choose portrait according to default setting, then click Finish. Step 12. Click the triangle arrow button to run the emulator. Lastly, step 13. The phone will appear. It successfully installed and we have done. For this project, we choose this Android 5.1 because it has better battery performance and fits even there are many versions of Android Lollipop, it still function and relevant to be used in this modern era right now. Lastly, for orientation, we choose portrait orientation because most of the apps use this orientation. The landscape that most of the apps does not support, then the portrait orientation make user easy to use application because it has grip in user hand.